Alright, so you've probably seen ads for Sendy Shades, the trendy looking sunglasses brand all over your feed. But the real question is, are they actually worth buying, or is this just another sketchy drop shipping site? Let's break it down. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I did this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide to show you the exact process. Links in the description. Sendy Shades markets itself as a stylish, affordable eyewear brand with a cool, minimalist vibe. Their site looks pretty clean, the product photos are polished, and they offer free shipping on certain orders. Now, here's the red flag. There's no official Trustpilot page, no real customer reviews to back the quality, and the site SendyShades.net shows up on Scam Advisor with low trust scores. That usually points to either a newly registered site, a hidden owner, or a lack of transparency. Plus, there's no solid info about where the company is based, how returns work, or who's actually behind the brand, which can be risky if your shades never show up or come looking nothing like the pics. For the final verdict, Sunday shades might look good on the surface, but a lack of verified reviews, sketchy trust score, and limited company info make it a bit of a gamble. If you're gonna try them out, maybe use a payment method that gives buyer protection just in case. Tried Sendy Shades yourself? Drop your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more no fluff reviews.